make money online for free by just copying and pasting articles online. So how much am I talking about here? I'm talking about getting paid $375 per article. Now this method is very simple, anyone can do it, and it is totally worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are right now, you'll still be able to make money online for free using this method. So if you want to make money online for free, then I have the best website that will pay you to post articles. Do not worry, you won't be writing any content, you will just copy and paste just as it is. Now in this video, I'm going to share with you the website that will pay you money online for free. I will also show you where you get those articles for free. Royalty free articles. You will be able to reuse them without any copyright issues. And lastly, you will just relax and start earning money online for free. Now before I show you exactly which website you're going to use and how you're going to get paid, this is Moneyfy, a new channel that is all about helping you guys make money online for free. It's new, it's completely new, and please, if you love making money online, if you want to start making money online, subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification icon so that every time I upload a new video, as you know, you will be notified and watch it, and that way you can make money before your competitors. Now let's get back to the video, but before I show you the website, look at this. I was doing some research and I wanted to know if this website is legit. I wanted to know if they're really paying people online to make money. So I came across this blog, how I made $375 with one article as a freelance writer on Clear Voice. So I was like, wow, so people are really making money using this website. So her name is Lydia K, and she's shown people how to do their portfolios, how to do their CV, and how to they can start making money online with that website. So without wasting time, go to google.com and type in a Clear Voice. This is the website that we're going to be using today to make money online. So it's just a freelance website. They pay you to write, they pay you to edit, they pay you to design, to do all that. They pay you for different things. Now I want you to click on Talent Network, and I want you to go to join the Talent Network. So click on it, and you're going to type in your first name and your last name. So fill out the two fields, fill them out, and I've already done mine. And when you fill out your name, click on get started. When you click on get started, you're going to come onto this page. How would you like to sign up? You can either connect with Twitter, you can connect with Google, or you can choose to sign up with your email, whichever you choose. I chose Google. So type in your email. You're going to click on next, fill out your password, and click on finish. And now this is how it's going to look like. You can see here my name. I do not have any taglines. My CV completion is 10%, so I have to edit my info, I have to improve my CV and that. But before I show you how you're going to improve your CV and more about editing your information, I want you to click on add content, because that is what is important. I want you to click on add content, and this is where the website that I was talking to you about, where you're going to get free articles to post onto this website, come in. So I want you to go to Google, and I want you to type in PLR Content Project. It has so many articles under different categories and subcategories, and you'll be able to to choose whichever that you want. So different categories, they have business, they have fashion, they have finance. You can choose whichever you want, but I'm going to go with health and fitness. And when you click on health and fitness, there are so many subcategories under the main category. So I'm going to go with weight loss, because I've noticed people are searching more and more each day about weight loss. So I'm gonna go with weight loss. And as you can see, there are different articles about weight loss, but there's one thing that I want people to know. People want to lose weight without dieting, without taking any pills, and without doing any hard exercises, just like making money online. People want to make money online, but they want to do it for free. They do not want to invest. You get the drill. So this is what we're going to be using. I'll go with the second article because it has a nice title to it and a nice explanation to it. So when you click on it, this is the whole article. If you want to read on it, you can read on it, but I'm not going to do that because of time. So exactly how you're going to get the URL for this article. So come on to this top, this search bar. I want you to copy the entire link, this one, copy it, and come to your and paste it. And as you can see, my CV completion has jumped from 10% to 35%. I can show you how I did that. So let's go back, let's copy this link, let's go to our Clear Voice account, paste it and click on add. Now you're going to be prompted to choose categories. So which is your category? Let me see, type in weight loss. Yes, click on that. You can click on so much different things under that category. So many categories, you can choose up to 10 topics. And a primary role, I want you to choose to click on content strategist. Content type, of course you're doing articles, and section, click on published content. Okay, and now for the description, I want you to copy this entire thing, copy all of this one. Yes, copy it, the whole of it, and paste it here. I've already done that, and click on update, and that's how I got my 35% on CV completion. Now you want to improve your CV, of course you want to finish it up so that you can be able to make money online for free using this website. So click on your improve your CV, and there's so many things that you can do here. So you can add a role, you can add your bio. Let's see, like add your categories. So I chose my content type as article, my first name, my second name, personal bio. Let's see, content roles. Of course you are content strategist, so click on content strategist and click on update. Let's see if our CV completion percentage has jumped up higher. So yeah, that's it. It was 35%, and that now it is 40%. So that is what you're going to be doing, improving your CV. Click on all of these, and I advise you to add up to 10 articles under weight loss, because that is what we're going to be doing. It doesn't have to be weight loss, because the main category is health and fitness. So you can go with nutrition, you can go with acne, you can go with beauty, whichever subcategory that you want, but make sure you post up to 10 articles. So that is it today from me, and if you loved this method, please like this video and comment below. Remember also to subscribe, and I will surely see you on my next video. Bye for now.